In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily enter referral code in the Temu app. It's quick and simple. So let's get started. First of all, open the Temu application on your mobile device. Then tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now tap on coupons and offers. This is usually the third or fourth option from the top. On this page, you will find a section where you can enter different types of codes, including promo codes, coupon codes, and referral codes. Now enter your referral code in the text field and tap on apply. If the code is valid and unused, it will be successfully applied to your account. And that's it. You have now successfully entered a referral code on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.